Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Virtual Learning. Today, I would like to deal with one of the famous tragedies written by William Shakespeare, titled as Romeo and Juliet. Friends, I will ask 30 questions provided with 3 options each and followed by an answer. So let us go with multiple choice questions on Romeo and Juliet. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet, a famous tragedy? Options are A. William Shakespeare, B. William Wordsworth, C. Thomas Kidd. The correct answer is option A, William Shakespeare. Question number 2. Who are the central characters in the play Romeo and Juliet? The options are A. Romeo and Benvolio, B. Romeo and Juliet, C. Tybalt and Benvolio. The correct answer is option B, Romeo and Juliet. Question number 3. Romeo and Juliet is set in. The options are A. Paris, France, B. Berlin, Germany, C. Verona, Italy. The correct answer is option C, Verona, Italy. Question number 4. The principal part of this play takes place in. The options are A. Venice, B. Mantua, C. Verona. The correct answer is option C, Verona. Question number 5. Romeo belongs to. The options are A. Tybalt family, B. Capulet family, C. Montague family. Question number 6. The prince warns Montague and Capulet that if the quarrel is renewed, they will be. The options are A. Exiled, B. Put to death, C. Forbidden to appear in public places. The correct answer is answer B. Question number 8. Who informs Juliet about sad news as the result of Tybalt's brawl with Romeo? The options are A. The nurse, B. Tybalt himself, C. Romeo. Correct answer is option A. The nurse. Question number 9. Benvolio advises Romeo. The options are A. To compare Rosaline to others, B. Of Tybalt's challenge, C. To learn to dance. The correct answer is option A, to compare Rosaline to others. Question number 10. Romeo learns of Capulet's feast from. The options are A, Tybalt, who invites him to attend. B, a servant who is inviting the guests. C, a formal invitation sent to him by the Capulets. The correct option is option B, a servant who is inviting the guests. Question 11. In the orchard, Romeo discovers Juliet. The options are A, walking with her nurse, B, gathering fruits, C, leaning from the balcony of her window. The correct answer is option C, leaning from the balcony of her window. Question number 12. Romeo confides his love for Juliet to. Options are A, his father, B, Friar Lawrence, C, Benvolio. The correct answer is option B, Friar Lawrence. Question number 13. Friar Lawrence is the first shown in the story. The options are A, gathering herbs, B, kneeling in prayer, C, hearing confessions. The correct answer is option A, gathering herbs. Question number 14. Friar Lawrence approves the wedding of Romeo and Juliet because he, the options are, thinks Romeo is a better man than Paris, B, hopes it will destroy the hatred between the two families, C, believes Romeo will be more settled when he is married. The correct answer is option B, hopes it will destroy the hatred between the two families. Question number 15. The wedding takes place in. The options are A, the orchard, B, Mantua, C, Friar Lawrence cell. The correct answer is option C, Friar Lawrence cell. Question number 16. Tybalt challenges Romeo to a duel because. The options are A, Tybalt wishes Paris to marry Juliet, B, Romeo has intruded at the Capulets' feast, C, Tybalt likes to fight duels. The correct answer is option B, Romeo has intruded at the Capulets' feast. Question number 17. At first, Romeo does not wish to fight with Tybalt because. The options are A, Tybalt is an experienced swordsman, B, Benvolio and Mercutio advise him against it, C, Tybalt is a kinsman to Juliet. The correct answer is option C, Tybalt is a kinsman to Juliet. Question number 18. Mercutio's dying remarks include. The options are A, a confession, B, burial request, C, a curse. The correct answer is option C, a curse. Question number 19. Romeo slays Tybalt because Tybalt, the options are A, insults Romeo, B, opposes Romeo's marriage to Juliet, C, slays Mercutio. The correct option is C, slays Mercutio. Question number 20. Juliet learns of Tybalt's death from. The options are A, her nurse, B, Her mother. C. Romeo. Correct answer is option A. Her nurse. Question number 21. Paris wins consent to marry Juliet because the options are A. Of his great love for Juliet. B. Of Juliet's great love for him. C. Juliet's father desires the union. The correct answer is option C. Juliet's father desires the union. Question number 22. Capulet plans the marriage with Paris because options are A. Romeo is exiled. B. Juliet is grieving. C. It will bring peace. The correct answer is option B. Juliet is grieving. Question number 23. Capulet's attitude towards Juliet is based on the options are A. Desire for an heir. B. Jealousy of her suitors. C. The fact that she is his only child. The correct answer is option C. The fact that she is his only child. Question number 24. Juliet refuses to marry Paris because the options are A. Capulet commands it. B. She is already married. C. Of her age. The correct answer is option B. She is already married. Question number 25. Romeo learns of Juliet's death from the options are A. His servant. B. A message from Benvolio. C. A letter from Friar Lawrence. The correct answer is option A. His servant. Question number 26. Romeo returns to Verona to the options are A. Die on Juliet's tomb. B. Slay Paris. C. Learn the truth about Juliet's death. The correct answer is option A. To die on Juliet's tomb. Question number 27. Before taking the drug, Juliet fears. The options are A. Romeo will learn she is dead. B. Romeo won't come. C. Waking too soon. The correct answer is option C. Waking too soon. Question number 28. Romeo leaves a letter for the options are A. His father. B. Capulet. C. Benvolio. The correct answer is option A. His father. Question number 29. The nurse expresses herself in the options are A. Direct manner. B. Irritable manner. C. Rambling manner. The correct answer is option C. Rambling manner. Question number 30. The play Romeo and Juliet is the result of the conflict between the options are A. Montague and Capulet families. B. Tybalt and Capulet families. C. Tybalt and Benvolio families. The correct answer is option A. Montague and Capulet families. So these are the 30 multiple choice questions based on